How's that? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Me and my wife are back again with the bathroom makeover part 2.
Stop, you idiot. Did you just fall?
Camera didn't see that. Camera didn't see it.
Camera's on it. Ridiculous. Call me slow. Yes.
Slow.
Shut up, Greg. Do I keep screwing in here, right?
Just from the beams.
So I can't screw it on the plumbing? Can't screw the plumbing in?
You want to screw the plumbing right in? This, all you hear is yeah, you screw it right in, babe, see what happens.
I was scared over there. I was like, dang, Jesus, please don't let me touch something I'm not supposed to.
Look, she was wondering if I was paying attention, right? Yeah.
All right, after all I did all the work, guys, just so you guys know. And now I have him doing the easiest job. Man, what are you going to be doing right now?
Mudding. I'm going to start with you.
My mouth?
I got the perfect solution.
So guys, you have caught us in mid-project, and I really mean that. I think we've recorded like 3 days worth of work, and then we just stopped. And I've been here every single day with Greg, busting my booty, right, Greg?
Yes, you're doing a good job, babe.
Okay, so let me just update you guys for a little bit. So, as you guys can see, cement board is up, niche is done. You guys can't tell, but the plumbing is done. We're just waiting to see what the client is gonna choose for
Diverter.
Diverter?
A diverter.
Diverter. So we're just waiting for them to choose that. Electrical's done.
Yep,
Electrical's done. Plumbing is done here because they're gonna put a freestanding tub right here.
Yeah.
We put up a wall here because she wants some shelving on the other side. We'll show you guys that after. And right now we are working on putting the red guard on. We also
Which is a waterproofer.
which is a waterproofer.
All right.
Okay, let's go this way. Over here on this wall, we have sanded. We put sheetrock up. We put compound. We sanded it like 500 times. I'm exhausted from sanding. Oh, and the best thing, look up. That was popcorn ceiling once upon a time, and that is no longer.
Gone. It's gone, ladies and gentlemen.
Turn around.
Sanded.
Greg has also moved. Sorry, I'm talking too fast.
Oh yeah.
Greg has also moved lighting that was up there, and we put it down here, so then she can have her light right here.
Yes, she wants a ceiling fixture.
And now you guys have been updated. So let's hope and pray that we are consistent with recording, because we have been we have been busting our butt, guys. I don't know why I keep doing that. Let me put my hands on my shoulder. We have been busting our butts, guys.
Guys, there's been too much sand in here. She's sanding her brains out, and that's why she's talking like that. Anyway, we're gonna keep on going.
We're gonna keep you guys along with us, and you guys are gonna see what else we do today.
There you go.
Ready?
All right, let's go.
Kiss my forehead.
How's that?
We can't touch each other. We're all dirty. Okay, come on, let's go. All right, guys, now that you guys are all caught up, I've red guarded the back area. We prepped the ceiling. Just gotta put, that's like primer, and we've painted the walls. Greg is gonna take care of that, don't worry about that, guys. So, this is the end of today. A really fast day, and come Monday, we will prep the floors again, and we'll level the floors again, and yeah.
All right, guys, so we're making some headway on this project. We have our walls almost done painted. I've got a 3rd coat of waterproofer on this wall here, so I got my tile saw ready to go, but since it's late in the day, I'm gonna wait on tiling on this for today, okay? This old 70s exhaust fan is staring me right in the face. I can't stand it anymore, it's gotta go. We're gonna replace it with a new one. Other than that, the rest of the walk-in shower, I have a diverter that is coming today. I can't really do much more than that, other than wait for the diverter before I put the walls up. Let's get this thing out of here. Disgusting! Woo! Yeah, it's time. It's time. Time to go! Yeah! Time to turn off the power first. All right, guys, I'm gonna start tiling this wall right here. Before I do that, I'm gonna put my laser level, which I have right here. It's the best way to actually go about doing that, to have a perfect tile job as it goes up. You don't want problems as it goes up, trust me. Before I do that, I'm gonna have some Curdy band. I'm gonna put that around the seams of the floor here. We're gonna have a freestanding tub here. I'm gonna put that on a thin set mortar. Alright guys, I'm done for today. I've almost finished with the job here, the tiling. But except this part right here, boom. I need to finish this top part, but I can't because the client needs to order more bullnose. So until then, I'm going to be installing hot and cold diverter on the other side. It came today in that black box, yeah. So that's where I'm going to be at tomorrow. All right, guys, so it's next day.
It's not next day. The last time you were here was Friday. Today's Monday. It is Monday.
Time's moving too fast. Anyway, it's Monday and we are on to installing our diverter. Diverter finally came in. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna end up having a shower head here. So we're gonna put it right where the slide is going. We're gonna take the slide out, bump it back, and put our rainfall shower head here. We're gonna install the diverter here. I got my laser level all lined up. And let's get this plumbed. All right, guys, so I have my diverter here. This is what I'm gonna put on. These are what I'm gonna use as my adapters. These are actually 1/2" PEX female connectors, all right? And also I have my 1/2" elbows, that's gonna be needed, and also my bands to crimp and keep the connections watertight. So other than that.
And your PEX.
And my PEX right here, hot and cold, all right? Gotta have a good Teflon tape. Let's get this done. How much fun are you having behind that camera, huh?
You know I like learning new things. I like watching you work.
She loves working with me.
Yeah, I do. I love working with you. I like learning new things, though.
That's right, huh?
It's always cool to know how to do stuff like this, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So just in case I ever leave you, I can do it myself. I'm just joking.
Hey, it's okay. Bye. Bye.
What you mean by you would be
That's
bye?
right, yeah, that's right. Bye. So this is what the diverter is gonna look like right here. Just like that, get everything all plumbed up, see that there? So this is actually gonna be my shower wand. This is going to be my shower head, and your hot and cold. So every diverter is a little bit different, but it's almost all the same. Read the instructions, you'll get by.
Guys, I want to say that I dropped the camera and now the camera is it's not letting me go in and out. Shut up. Leave me alone, okay? You're not perfect.
You broke the camera, huh?
I did an accident.
Accident. Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, so my diverter past the wall, it'll be around about like that high.
It should be 38 to 45 or 48 inches above from the floor.
Yeah.
You see how do you think I know that? How do you think I know that, Greg?
Read those long hair books, right?
Google it.
Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to be installing my diverter valve. Let's make that cut. Alright, got that good. Now I'm going to the back side, add my bracing, get this installed. Always playing games. Always playing games. Alright guys, so I'm sorry you missed half of the action, but we did a lot of plumbing up in the attic to bring this down here. We got our diverter in, check it out here. Alright, so we chose a height of about 38-40 inches for the diverter, and then we have our handheld that's going to be right here. We measured out for the tile that's going to go behind it, so everything is right where it should be. So anyways, we're having fun. That's what it's all about. On to the next step.
Yes. You're done?
I'm done with this.
Do it. Do you mean do it? With your fat fingers? Your man hands?
No, maybe I have to have you do this.
Let me see. Let's move step aside, let the professional do it.
I'm not sure about that. I'm not cutting my shoe.
I also want to show you guys. He moved the lighting there and there, and there's the hole that he patched up.
Yes.
Almost done, Greg.
As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Part 3 is coming next week. Stay tuned.